Let me see. Blackjack gonna play lookout there. So yeah, man. Favorite pack of merch. Should go to. You said $10? You said $10? Oh, let me see. Yeah, my boy. Damn, he done jumped off the fence. Now I gotta locate his ass again. Where he go? He over here somewhere. Oh, excuse my bad.
There you go.
What's that? Oh, man, appreciate it. Low sugar? Already. It's good still? Oh, yeah, here you go right here. Hey, 2X. What size you need? 2X? Extra large? Next time? Okay. 30? Okay. Nah, not like this. The hoodie. Let me see. No, I gotta find somebody. This is a special order right here, man. I had to get this special order, man. I can't find this jacket no more. I had went to Ross, and I got it and got it embroidered.
That's like sweater or like this?
Yeah, I got. Let me see, what is this? Oh, it's a little $3.92, y'all. Oh, we got New York in the house. Hey, y'all. Damn, man, hold on. Let me go on over here. He better not burn rubber either. Let's see what they talking about over here. What the hell's going on now? Yeah, go see what's going on, man. Damn, they get some money together. What they finna do? They got all the money ready here, yeah. Hey, Colocho. Hey, don't
They're not my beers.
Oh, they not yours?
No.
Don't you wear size medium?
Yes.
Yeah, I got a Lookout Racing hoodie for you.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm waiting.
Okay, you want one of these too, a beanie too?
I'll take it.
All right. He gonna get both of them, y'all.
You gotta choke up on it.
Yeah. Let it eat. Colocho Loco. Okay, where y'all at on this one? I think the other step, that 5.0, ain't them 5.0s a little bit more dangerous than these 392s? Yeah, because they got a 10-speed. Yeah, I think that 10-speed made them a little more dangerous. $392. I don't think the 392. I think the Mustang supposed to beat them. Oh, we got Tamala Edwards says she new here digging the live content. Mustang for the win. I be at a lot of different tracks, Tamala. Tomorrow I will be at No Guts, No Glory in Orlando, Florida. I'm gonna be live on the phone and I'll be on the drone. The drone footage is gonna have to have a membership. You can become a member on my YouTube channel and catch the live drone footage. It's gonna be going down, man. It's called the Super Bowl of Grudge Racing. You know, it happens every year, big event, No Guts, No Glory. Y'all can check it out. And that's pretty much it. Let's see what's going on back here, y'all. It's probably some, got a Honda over here. They done crammed the turbo and intercooler out. It ain't even fit good. They just put it on there. It look like he ready, y'all. See, it's got his tag light. Who finna run?
Him at Home Depot.
Oh, this versus Home Depot? Oh, that is finna be a good race, y'all. Here go the Lamborghini right here. Oh, this who finna race, y'all, Home Depot. Oh, y'all just coming in, y'all coming in on a good.
Hey, make them race each other. Everybody wants to run me, but I can't run everybody. Nobody wants to wait. That black truck wants to run for some money. That Honda wants to run for some money, but they don't want to race. Huh?
Everybody want to race Home Depot.
Everybody want to race you right now.
Yo, get the highest pot. Get the highest pot.
But they doing the same thing.
Well, then just get
Huh? 2,000?
2,000 a piece. Well, shit, just get the slowest one. Get the slowest one, man. Oh, well, hell, at that price, whoever first, fuck it. Whoever gonna get it. At that price, motherfucker might change his mind.
I ain't changed too, what you just seen is I got you.
Okay, they getting it everything in the grudge.
Lined up at extra fees, blew the intake off. We took your money that night. So
Yeah, they about to do it, y'all. They getting all the race negotiated. Home Depot say a lot of people want to race him right now, and they don't want to wait.
They don't want to wait.
They don't want to wait. Everybody want to whoop Home Depot ass in this truck.
But they can't do it.
Yeah, but they can't
They all
really do.
lose all
Yeah,
He
Home Depot the target.
You take the Honda?
Come on, let's get this Honda, man.
Get the Honda way.
Yeah, let's get this front wheel drive Honda, man. Bum, 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 bum.
Where's the glue?
Make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Versus a turbo Honda.